Photographers, when you're first building your photography kit, one of the first lenses you should consider is a fast lens. A fast lens is any lens with a wide maximum aperture, typically 2.8 or lower. A fast lens is so important because it all comes down to light. When it comes to low light situations like indoors, concerts, nighttime, a fast lens allows more light to reach the sensor. This means that you can produce sharper and much clearer images without having to crank up your ISO, introducing very harsh noise. Additionally, a wide aperture allows a more shallower depth of field, introducing a nice blurry background known as bokeh. Like for example, my whole background is nice and blurry because my lens is a 2.0. Blurry backgrounds or bokeh in your images allows you to separate your subject from the background. This way, you isolate your subject and create stunning portraits. Whether you're shooting portraits, capturing moments in a dimly lit room, or if you simply want that nice blurry background, a fast, low aperture lens can help you elevate your photography. So, when you're building your photography kit, please keep in mind that one of the first lenses you need is a fast one, a lens that has an aperture of 2.8 or lower. If you want more photography tips and tricks like this, please like and follow for more videos. See y'all on the next one.